Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings. Then you have to go to the Accessibility section, and then to the Talkback. Here you can enable this feature. Then you will have this Talkback tutorial. Why isn't it talking?
Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback.
I don't know why this device is so quiet, like I don't even hear this Talkback. I hope you can hear it.
Automatically advancing to lesson 1. When enabled, Explore by Touch lets you back button. Talkback
Okay,
on.
and that's how you can turn it off too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.